All right, this is a very familiar site here in Toronto, and of course we see houses going up throughout the GTA, the Golden Horseshoe. In fact, we may be looking at one of the busiest places on the planet when it comes to construction, but it is feeling a pinch right now. It is missing out on skilled tradespeople. There is actually a shortage going on right now, and both the group overseeing the industry and one of the biggest unions, LIUNA, says that we may see even more issues arise, and they say they need some changes made, especially from the next provincial government.
If you look at in the high-rise sector, the amount of high-rise multi-res development going on, you are seeing projects taking considerably longer because there's just not enough manpower to satisfy that need. So if nothing is done, I suspect that the problem will be exacerbated.
And that ends up costing everybody money.
The longer the project takes, for sure, the cost increase.
Jason Audi of LIUNA Local 183 says they are doing all they can to get young people interested in careers in construction. They're offering training programs and are working with groups like Toronto Community Benefits and reaching out to at-risk youth and also targeting First Nations youth and women. Now, Richard Lyle is the president of the Residential Development Council of Ontario. He says they are offering similar programs, but says the next provincial government needs to bring back some basic programs in high schools that show the positives of the trades and get guidance counselors guiding people towards those trades. He says it's more than just a good income. Lyle says you have independence and one of the highest job satisfaction levels in any industry. He says many tradespeople have stayed on longer than planned, but they are now retiring. And he says without fresh blood, they may have to make a difficult decision.
In 5 years, we need to have figured this out.
Will we see projects delayed?
No, we're not looking at that right now. And the other element of this, too, is that our industry is heavily engaged in automation and in off-site construction and prefabrication and so on and so forth, which is good. It's kind of sad in a way, because if we can't fix the skilled labor side of things, then we've got to go to robotics and we've got to go to factory solutions. It's just, but one way or the other, we're going to build what we have to build.
Now, Lyle says that is not the way they want to go. And if you're thinking about this, careers in framing, high-rise, and concrete, well, their apprentices can start in the 50 to 60K range and easily top 100 with overtime. So something well worth thinking about as a career.